Hello and welcome back, guys. So today is a very quick video to show you how to remove the instrument cluster, because I'm going to be attempting to add the miles per hour dials or whatever you want it to call, like a little plastic bit, without having to add a separate digital display or fiddle around with the electronics or anything like that. So I'm gonna start the video now to show you how to remove the instrument cluster. So of course the first thing that I need to do is to lower the steering wheel to have a better access here. And now this is the instrument cluster, and there are no screws or anything like that around here, so all you have to do is basically pry this plastic out with a prying tool and everything else should theoretically pop out. So let's see what happens, and just literally pop it in there. Oh, there you go, one done. It's a bit awkward here because of the steering wheel. Yep, it's all coming out nicely now. So here are some of these clips, one here, one there, one here, one there, and basically you just pull it out. A couple of clips here, some clips, where is it, one over here, one here, one here. Oh my goodness me, so after struggling, trying to pry something, trying to do lots of different things to the bottom, I finally figure out that these little bits here, it just means basically you have to put your finger in here and use force to remove this. And so now I've got the cluster out. It says I have to be careful, right? So I am being very, very careful, and I have to remove this cable here. Done. And now carefully take it out. All right, I got the cluster here with me. So the first thing that I need to do is to remove these 4 screws. So the next step here is to remove some of these clips, plastic clips, with a prying tool, and then you should kind of start seeing the whole bit come out. So this is what the rear of the cluster looks like, and then you have to unclip these kind of black clips with a prying tool very carefully. A couple on the side, a few on the back, and then basically this is what happens. You have the instrument cluster removed from the lens. But there are some clips at the back located here, here, and here that I need to release. So I'm gonna carefully turn this around. So a bit of a disaster. I have one small clip broken. Here is one, here is two, and one is broken. I wasn't gentle enough with it. But here is the cluster so far. So I'll try to glue it. I don't know if it will work or not, but oh well. So I've just removed the needle. It was placed right over here, and I basically yanked it off. It's separated from this bit as well. Honestly, it's all very scary. So my cluster came in with these tiny plastic bits sticking out, which is not flush. So I need to use nail clippers and remove these little bits one by one, carefully. Right, this is looking better now. Miles per hour dial is here. And now I need to put the needle back in. See if it all works as planned. Right, so here goes nothing. So then, ladies and gentlemen, I can confirm that everything is working very, very, very well. I'm a one happy bunny.